Alright, traders, we're here now again for another weekly forecast and another weekly updates for Forex market. So let's start with our GBP USD. So karon maghatag-tag mga ideas for this week kung unsay mga nindot nga mga trades. Let's start. So for here, you will see again, I'm done looking on my bias from weekly, daily, and 4-hour time frame. So as you can see here, I have already put on my area of interest, which are my zones for resistance and support. So mura din siya ang akong ginatanaw weekly and the daily, right, before I start the trade within the day. Okay, but I execute my trade sa lower time frame. Okay, let's begin with GBP USD. So sa makita ni, alright, so it's in its bullish bias from weekly, daily, and 4-hour, but it needs confirmation before I will decide to go on and continue to the upside. So GBP USD for now, I'm gonna wait for that. GBP JPY, let me just scan the weekly, and then we go to the daily after this one. Alright, so for the GBP JPY, di kay ko kitag sakto ani. GBP CAD, also it's a good pair to buy, right? Let's see for this week from Monday or Tuesday if it goes a little have pullback, and then we will decide if we can trade it sa lower time frame. And then sa itong GBP CHF, for me, I'm just gonna wait for this weekly time frame. I'm just gonna wait until it touches this EMA right here or this 1.13 level before I decide na pwede ni siya i-sell. So let's go sa GBP NZD. GBP NZD, it's kind of good also for this type of pair, okay, to buy. But again, we're just scanning for now. GBP odd as well. Let's see about GBP odd. Okay, let me just plug that out. For the Euro USD, now I can see a good sign there. Euro odd, not yet ready. Euro NZD, Euro NZD, there's a good potential for that. Let's see later for the daily time frame. Euro GBP, I cannot see, not yet ready. Euro CAD, no, not yet ready as well. Euro JPY, for this one, this is a good one to sell for me, but I guess later on when we show and we go to the lower time frame, tanaw na to if nindot ni siya i-sell kung sa forma dito sa daily. Go to Euro CHF. Sa Euro CHF, also in the area of interest zone, pero na break niya ni siya dali nga zone. Let's see kung mag-continue man ni siya until this level right here. But we go to the NZD USD. NZD USD, wow, this one is a good rejection from our EMA, weekly EMA, but again, I'll just flag this again here. Let's see kung unsay may tabuon niya sa daily. Unsay yang ano dito itsura. NZD CAD, very choppy. I'll just leave that pair for now. NZD JPY, NZD JPY, I guess this one is not ready yet. NZD CHF, di ko siya ready gihapon. Odd USD, very choppy. Let's go to another pair. For odd JPY, this is kinda confusing, but this one is already in the area of interest. But for me, I might just wait until it touches right in our 50 AMA, weekly AMA. So let's see about that one. Right, again, let me flag that out. Odd CHF, I guess this one is not ready for now. Odd NZD, this one is in the resistance level. For me, I might just wait until it breaks into this zone right here before I continue my trade or decide to go upside. And odd CAD, this one is also bullish, right? But for now, again, let's wait can see. So sa USD JPY, this one is not ready, this pair is not ready yet. Ang USD CAD, again, di siya ready pa. USD CHF, indecisive. Let's go to CAD JPY. Alright, not ready. CAD CHF also not ready. CHF JPY as well not ready. For the gold, your favorite gold, wow, it breaks the 2,400 level, so now it's in the 2.5 level. So again, for this, I suggest not to go inside this trade for now, going to the upside kay murag naka sa FOMO level for now. Maybe it's better to wait for the pullback before we decide to go on the upside. So the BTC USD, it's still kind of indecisive for now, but let's see later. Now this time, the moment of truth, let's go to our daily time frame. So sa daily time frame, let's go back to the GBP USD. This one is not ready for me. Again, my daily decision for the trade is to look on the opening and the closing candle of the daily time frame. So let's see about this one here, GBP USD. I might just wait again. This one is still doing its impulse going to the upside. Ang GBP JPY, it's not ready for me. GBP CAD, nope. GBP US CHF, no, it's doing its impulse to the upside for now. Let's see. GBP NZD. So this GBP NZD, actually I really like this pair. It's because it broke into this level right here, very strong support, okay, going back to the upside. So for me, I might wait until it goes back to this area right here, make a strong pullback, and then that's the time I will decide to buy this pair. Alright, but for now, of course, it's always a waiting game. GBP odd, let's go to our GBP odd. Also with our GBP odd, I might also wait. You have to be patient with this until it break this level right here, make some short pullback, and then that's the time I will decide to buy this market here, this pair. So sa USD, of course, again, not ready. Let's go to Euro NZD. Euro NZD, it's creating a potential head and shoulder pattern, but for now, it's all waiting game for this pair right here. It might go back to this zone, and then that's the time we will see if we can buy this pair. And then Euro GBP, no, not ready for that. Euro CAD, Euro. This one actually is very interesting, but again, we have to be very careful because as we can see, it's trying to make a pullback going to the downside, but I guess we have to decide on that when we go to our lower time frame. But for now, again, scanning mode attack. Okay, but this one is also a good pair to sell, but I don't suggest it for now. Okay, so sa Euro CHF, no. NZD, USD, kinda choppy for me for this pair, though in our weekly okay kay siya mo para i-sell siya, pero pag abot sa daily, it's not really good kay nadako kaayo nga bullish candle here sa Friday nga candle. So for me, I might just wait until it goes back to this level right here to sell, and then make a pullback, then that's it. Right? Or if it goes back to the upside, then I can just decide maybe to break that level of interest, the gray zone, and then make a short pullback, then again decide to buy that pair. Alright, so let me go to our odd JPY. Nope, I might just put that out. And then our odd CAD. Oh, okay, so our odd CAD is actually we got this pair last week ni daog tani, but for our normal risk to reward ratio, it's always 1 to 2 or 2:1, right? But again, because it's Friday, I just decided to just cut my trade to 1:1 there, right? Just delete that one for now. And then also this level, because I decided to buy this pair after it breaks this one here, this candle right there. So that's where we got our win right there. So let's go to our, wait, let me go back to OddCAD. For OddCAD, yeah, waiting until again making its pullback to this area right here, and then I will decide to buy again. And then for our USD JPY, no, not ready. I guess that's it. Other pairs are not ready yet. We might just wait again for some movement, so Monday or Tuesday. So let's see about this one. Also about this USD CHF, this one is a good pair also to sell, okay, but our daily is still in the bullish. If it breaks into this level right here, if it goes there, breaks that structure right there, and then make a short pullback, I will also decide to sell that pair right there, the USD CHF. All right, so for now, again, waiting game sa mga pairs. CAD JPY, no, not ready. CAD CHF JPY, this one is also, I'm also indecisive for this. My bias here for our CHF JPY is only sa sell, okay, since all our time frames are all in bearish. So as a gold, your favorite gold, of course I cannot buy this pair for now because again it's doing its impulse to the upside, but for sure many of the traders are very happy with this because they always like to trade gold. But for me, I rarely trade gold. Okay, very volatile siya, and at the same time very risky siya para sa ako. So sa BTC USD, it's still in the downside, but I can recommend to trade this pair for now until it breaks this level again, another right here. Maybe if it goes right there, test that zone. If it breaks, then we wait for the pullback again, and then we decided to sell this pair, the Bitcoin. Of course, cryptocurrency, we're in the long term for that. All right, so I guess for now my best pair would be this one, the GBP NZD. I'm predicting this pair to go on to this level right here before I will decide to sell. But of course, again, we cannot always predict kung saan may tabo sa market, kaya mausab-usab yun na siya. We just react kung saan may tabo sa market, kung saan ginahimo sa mga candles, and then that's it. That's why we are always price in action, alright, trader. So again, for some of you who are messaging me about like trading your money, so I cannot do that one. Dili ko pwede mag-trade sa inyong money because I'm not a financial advisor. I only make this video, okay, with my intention just to give advices. So I'm not also, I cannot say I'm a pro trader. I also do have a losses sa akong mga trade, but again, this channel or this page is just intended to give you ideas on sa mga maayong pairs karon nga week. But again, this is always subject to change, kay again, we don't know what will happen sa market, especially na yung mga high impact news within the week. Alright, so for now, that will be all. Good luck for the trade this week, and set and forget. Goodbye everyone. See you next time.